Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a PlayStation gift card step by step, quickly and easily. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation console and sign into your PlayStation Network account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 2. From the home screen, navigate to the PlayStation Store icon and open it. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select Redeem Codes. This is where you can enter your gift card code. Step 4. Take your PlayStation gift card and locate the 12-character code. For physical cards, scratch off the silver strip on the back to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 5. Enter the code exactly as it appears in the provided field and press Continue. Double-check the characters to make sure there are no mistakes. Step 6. PlayStation will verify the code, and once it's accepted, the gift card balance will be added to your PSN account. You can now use this balance to purchase games, add-ons, subscriptions, or other content from the PlayStation Store. Step 7. After redemption, you can check your updated wallet balance in your account settings to see the available funds. Your PlayStation gift card is now activated and ready to use. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step tutorials.